How to fix Knockout City not working on Switch. 1. Download and install software updates for the Switch. See detailed steps at https://n- nintendo.com/app/answers/details/id/2252//nintendo-switch-system-updates-and-change Nintendo Switch system updates and change history. 2. Download and install the latest updates for Knockout City, as well. 3. Check then troubleshoot your internet connection, if needed. And check the game servers in the Meanwhile. 4. Restart your Switch. 5. Uninstall then reinstall the Knockout City game.